How are life and health insurance plans treated in divorce? Hi, I'm Bill Farias, founder and CEO of Farias Family Law. And this is an issue in just about every divorce, right? You have these insurance plans in place, and people are going their separate ways and trying to figure out how this is going to be managed going forward. So let's start with life insurance. You have two different kinds of life insurance policies, essentially. One is a cash value life insurance policy, and that serves as security, but it's also an asset. So it's also an investment. And when you have a cash value policy, then you need to treat the asset separately from the security. So the asset is a divisible asset in a divorce, and you have to figure out how the value of that asset is going to be divided. And then you have the security part of it, which is that when a divorce involves either child support or alimony payments, the court will sometimes, depending on the length of the payments, the number of the payments, the amount, will require security. So you can achieve that with life insurance. Usually, when you have children involved and there is child support, it makes sense for each party to carry a life insurance policy. Term life insurance is usually more cost effective. And the point is that if anything happens to either party, then the other party is not left in a very, very difficult financial situation, right? So if one party passes away, then the other party is essentially left raising the children without any support. And so that's the purpose of life insurance when you have child support in play. Same idea for alimony. If there is an alimony payment, then depending on the amount and the length, the court will sometimes order a life insurance policy to be in place to secure that payment. So that's how life insurance works. Health insurance is, first of all, most companies are not covering ex-spouses. So when people get divorced, usually the party that was covered by the other spouse's plan has to go find their own health insurance. If that person is dependent on the party who was providing the coverage, then that issue kind of gets blended into alimony, right? So if there's an alimony issue, the court also has to figure out how is this dependent person going to be able to afford health insurance? And that is part of the alimony calculation. And then when it comes to the children and coverage for the children, usually the parent paying child support is the one providing health insurance, but there is no black and white rule on this. What the court does is often looks at which policy is most cost effective and beneficial for the children. So that's how life and health insurance works in divorce. If you have any questions about this, you can call us 508-675-0464. You can email us at info@fariasfamilylaw.com, and you can find us on social at Farias Family Law. Thank you. Have a good day.